Got 4 bras and they all that, we call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she.
No, it is not my new car. It is my courtesy car. I don't know if you know this, but someone decided it was a good idea to reverse into my FN1. Let me just show you the damage to cause. Now, luckily, all of this. Oh, let me just show you more of that damage actually. But all of this was caught on my dash cam, and the person was caught red-handed. So the person's insurance is gonna cover the cost of getting that fixed. Getting that fixed, and it's not gonna affect me in any way, shape, or form. So what's happening now is I've just had this courtesy car delivered. It is a Nissan Juke. Now you see, I was told it was going to be a similar spec to my car. For the life of me, I can't figure out how this is a similar spec to my car. But never mind. It is here now. I'm going to have it for as long as my car is away, which is just depressing. And they're going to come pick this up later. The garage is going to come pick it up. But yeah, let me just walk you around this car. Right? It's worse than I thought. There it is. There is that ugly mug. It is ridiculously high. This is unacceptable. Way too high. It definitely needs more low. Practicality. For a car that looks big, it is surprisingly small. Like this massive thing, or massive looking thing, with this very awkward forehead. Anyway. What? Nice. Look, it's actually smaller than this FN. Well, I could just use my girlfriend's car. It's smaller than that. The boot is smaller. Let me show you. Well, I guess this is not a comparison between the Juke and the FN1. Don't buy a Juke, buy an FN1. Look at the size of that. Cavernous. And then look at the size of this. Pathetic. Pathetic. The quality of this, absolutely horrible. Look at that. It can't even hold it. What is the meaning of this? You have. It's ridiculous, and it feels so light and cheap. It's, oh my god, I can't. And look in here, it is just depressing. Inside here, I can't believe this. Listen to this. What is this? What?
You don't even get a light.
I can't.
They didn't think you deserve it.
Honestly, you don't even get an armrest in the center. I can't believe how cheap.
You're already leaving your wallet in here. It's so anyone can break into this thing.
That's true, but I can't believe how cheap this car is. The gearbox is horrid. It feels horrible, and only has 5 speeds, but it feels horrible. It's long throws, mushy feeling. You can't even tell when you've slotted into gear. The clutch is a little bit on the heavy side. The brakes are sensitive. The engine sounds horrible. You know what? Let's start it up. Where did I put the keys? Well, I must have had the keys because I just unlocked it. Yeah, the key feels horrible. Anyway, look at that. I haven't had this. Make sure it's in neutral. Start it up. I think it's supposed to be a 1.6. No Bluetooth. Oh, yeah. Listen to that. What is this? It sounds like a tin can. How horrible is it? What is that? My EP2 felt more quality than that. Anyway, let's close this. Look at how light this boot is. Feel it. It's so light. How is the boot on the FN1 heavier? Yes, it is made of. It's got plastic cladding on it.
It's light, but it's also annoying.
This car just feels hollow. I don't like how high it rides. I don't like how it looks. I don't like how it sounds. I don't like how small it actually is. I don't like how small the boot is. It makes no sense how small the boot is. I mean, how can you have a car that looks that big and yet it has a ridiculously small boot? I cannot even. I just can't. I don't know why anyone would actually buy a Juke. I don't know. Let me start this up for one more time before it's gone for like 2, 3, 4 weeks.
6.
Just oh god.
This is hilarious.
Oh, for comparison, look at that. The door stays open inside. Let's knock around. Close that. Look at that. Stiff quality. It is not depressing in here. I cannot understand how there's more room in here, and this is a 3-door. Right? Let's just. Well, that was a mistake. Let's start this up. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna miss that. I am gonna miss that. My neighbors, they haven't said anything to me personally, but I'm pretty sure they're not happy. And the funniest thing is, I go to work first, right? I leave the house around 20 past 6. She leaves the house. What time do you leave the house? Half 8. So I wake them up at 6:30, and by the time they've recovered from that and gone to sleep, my girlfriend starts her car, and that's the same thing. Yeah, it's. Well, I'm gonna miss it. It's.
Imagine if this was like a swap, like.
Nah, please don't. But yeah, on the bright side, it's gonna come back fixed. In the meantime, I have to endure that piece of absolute turd.
Also, they'll reclip it as well.
I imagine they'll have to take the bumper off entirely to fix it, and then put that back. But yeah. On the bright side, she is getting fixed, so I'll keep you updated. But listen to the locks. What the?
At least you know it's locked.
Wow. I'm not trying to replicate that squeak that happened a second ago. It went. Maybe if I open the boot and close it.
Did you open the boot with a key?
Nope. Never mind.